for the Bengal. As usual, Nirmala Sitharaman will frustrate the peoples of the Bengal. They are anti-Bengali, we know. They don't have anything to do for the Bengal. They need only vote for Bengal, and people have not casted vote, therefore they will not vote. They will not give anything. And you have seen that walk-up. All our dissent notes have been deleted by the chairman in an undemocratic manner and illegal manner. I have never seen such an autocrat chairman in the parliament. He is autocrat. He is autocrat. I have given you the copy of the dissent note. You have got it. You show me from which one can be said to be rejected in terms of the rules of the parliament. He doesn't understand law. He doesn't understand fact. His focus is only to take care of the Muslim property and give it to the big industrialist.
जैसे कि मैं सो रहा हूँ तो पिताजी को जगाना है मुझे, तो वो डायरेक्ट उठाने के बजाय, और हिंसा की परंपरा मेरे यहाँ नहीं थी सौभाग्य से, तो वो क्या करते थे कि उस कमरे में आ जाएंगे या बाहर से गुजरेंगे और चौपाई बोलेंगे, प्रात काल उठ गए रघुनाथा, मात पिता गुरु नावई माता। कभी कभी मैं गुस्से में उठ करके अरे पापा चरण स्पर्श किया और सो गया। मैंने कहा अब मत उठाना।